Hi, my name is Eli and this is Tech Talk. Today I'm going to show you how to create an Influx Entrepreneur account on influxentrepreneur.com. Now, the first thing I need from you to do is actually open up Google Chrome. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'll be making the account on an incognito tab. So just right click here. Normally you just click on new window. Instead of that, just click new incognito tab. And then from there, what I want you to do is come up here to this top search bar and just search up influxentrepreneur.com and click enter. And then from there, what I want you to do is come up here to this clients drop down menu and then click on the manage account. It'll take you to the client area, and then from there, if you do have an account, just log in. But since you don't, just click on this register button. And then from there, you can go through and fill out all of this form and then click register. And from there, boom, you have your Influx Entrepreneur account. Now, you will get a few emails making sure that you have your password and things like that, and things of that nature. Now, if you have any questions about what we talked about today, make sure to drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you as fast as I can. This has been Eli from Tech Talk. See you next time.